So this is one question. Check whether this is 1 to 1 or on. Suppose here p comma 2 and r comma 2. So both of these two are belongs to F. So for image 2, here two pre images are there. That's why this is not 1 to 1. So ఇది 1 to 1 కాదు. That means P and R have the same image. So that this is not here. P and R have same image. So that's why. So this is not 1 to 1. And here coming to this f of, you can find out this f of a. For this f of a here, so it contains only 2 comma 0. So what is the onto? Onto function means what I mean? For every image there exists pre-image. There exists compulsory pre-image. So then this is not onto. This is not onto. Because here one is there. One is the image, there is no pre-image. So that's why this is not onto also. Here this is not belongs to B. Compulsory this is equal to B. Means f of A. F of A is nothing but images. So these images that is equal to this B. Okay, then this is called as onto. Okay, this is what the onto. Okay, so here this is not, that means domain and codomain. Okay, so here f of A is the domain and B is the codomain. So here this f of A is equal to B, then we can call it as what? Onto. So this is not onto function also. Okay, so the next same this, and for this you can check this is for second one. Here that is f equal to now 1 0 2. So this is what P Q R, and here 2 1 0. So P 2 1 and Q is with 0 and R is with 2. So that here every image has some pre-image. That is different image. So that here this is what here different elements in A have different F images, different images in B. Hence it is F is here 1 to 1, 1 1 function. Now here every image has some pre-image. So that's why this is what it is onto. Okay. So therefore we can say that it is what? It is bijection. It is what? The bijection. In this case, second case, it is bijection. In this first case, it is not 1 to 1 as well as onto. Next question. Suppose now one more question like this. Here, find whether the given following functions is 1 to 1 or onto or 1 to 1 and onto. So check whether this function that is find 1 to 1, 1 1 or onto or 1 1 onto. That means bijection. It is nothing but bijection. Okay. Here first question is what? R relates to R. So is defined as f of x equal to x, 5x minus 2, x greater than 2, x less than or equal to 2. Okay. So here the first question chudandi. Here 3, that means R relates to R. So here 3 greater than 2. Okay, 3 greater than 2. Then 1, that means first one is here f of x equal to x. So this is what 3 greater than, first 3 greater than 2. Now f of 3 equal to 3. So suppose you can observe here 1 less than 2. Here f is second one. That is here 1 less than or equal to 2. That is here 1. Here 3. Suppose 1, f of 1 f of 1 equal to, so here 5 into 1 minus 2. This is what? 3. This is what? 3. Here 3, here 3. So thus 1 and 3. So this is 1 and this is 3. Here 1 and 3 have same image. 1 and 3 has same image, isn't it? So here 3, that means x 3 greater than 2. So 3 greater than 2, f of 3 equal to 3. This is f of x equal to x, that is f of x, f of 3 equal to 3, 3 greater than 2. So if you assume f equal to 1, because 1 x less than or equal to 2, this is 1 less than or equal to 2, f of 1 equal to 5 into 1 minus 2. Suppose you can observe here f of x equal to 2, that is 2 less than or equal to 2, 5 into 2 minus 2, that is 10 minus 2. Here what? This is 7. Some cases different images are there. Some cases same images are there. Suppose you can choose x equal to 1 and 3. So both of these two have same images. Both of these two have same images. That means f of 3 equal to 3 and f of 1 equal to also. That's why that is A. This is A. So this is B. 1, 3. So here 3. Like this. So this is not 1, 1. This is not 1, 1. And coming to the onto function, or you can check whether this is the onto function or not. Suppose you can assume that let so now you can check whether this is onto or not. You can check whether this function is onto or not. For that, first let y belongs to R. So here if y greater than 2, if y greater than 2, then y greater than 2 x equal to y equal to y. That is, if y greater than 2, take x equal to 1. Then f of x equal to f of y equal to y. If y less than or equal to 2, then that is, otherwise take less than or equal to, if y greater than or equal to 2, y, how I can write here, y greater than or equal to 2, f of x equal to x. That's why x equal to y. That is, f of x equal to f of y equal to y. So if y less than or equal to 2, then x equal to y plus 2 divided by 5. Because, so here, this is what the function is, 5x, f of x equal to, f of x equal to what, and 5x minus, what is that? Here 5x minus 2. Sorry. F of y equal to 5x minus 2. Sorry. F of x equal to 5x minus 2. So this is what f of x equal to y. So y equal to f of 5x minus 2. So here y plus 2. Here x equal to y plus 2 divided by 5. Okay. So now, so this is what I mean here. This is for f of x. I can write here f of x like this. So here 5 into y plus 2 divided by 5 minus 2. Okay. Here this is nothing but here this is nothing but y. And then next that means here x equal to y plus 2 divided by 5. So when it is possible, that is x less than equal to 4 by 5. This is possible like this. Because here x less than equal to 2. Suppose you can assume here the value as 2. 2 plus 2, 4 by 5. That is x less than equal to 4 by 5. Okay, then that means if y equal to y less than equal to 2, then x less than less than equal to 4 by 5. So thus, if f is onto, since f is not 1 to 1, so that means for every image there exists 3 images. That's why f is on 2, but not 1, 2. But not 1, 1. Then next, one more question. Suppose here, check whether this is 1, 1 or on 2 or 1, 1 on 2. Guys, here, if f of x equal to 2x minus 3, here a1 and a2 belongs to R. So this is also belongs to R. So here the function is like this, R to R. Then f of a1 equal to f of a2 means 2a1 minus 3 equal to 2a2 minus 3. Here this one, and 2a1 equal to 2a2 and a1 equal to a2. So this is what, therefore f is 1, 1. And coming to on 2, that is here y belongs to R, then x belongs to what? Y plus 3 divided by 2. So now f of x equal to what? 2x minus 3. So this is what? 2y plus 3 by 2 minus 3 equal to y. So this is equal to y, because here 2y and here 2y, 6 minus 6, this is what? 2. 6 cancel, 2y cancel, that is y equal to y. So that means every image there exists an pre-image. Okay, so that f is on. F is also on. So that, therefore f is here bijection. So ila meeku exam lo you can ask the questions like this. Suppose the question is like this. Here f equal to f of x equal to x square. Then you can find out whether this function is here x comma y belongs to R. Now find out whether this function is bijection or not. So here f of minus 1 equal to what only? Minus 1 whole square equal to 1. F of 1 equal to what? 1 square equal to 1. So minus 1 and 1 both have image, pre-image as 1. So that therefore f is minus 1 and plus 1 both have, this is minus 1, this is plus 1, this is 1. So that is not 1, 1. So therefore this is not. And one more thing, minus 1 has no pre-image because this is x square. That's why minus 1 has. Suppose here you can take the minus 1, there is no pre-image. That's why there is no onto. Therefore, this is not bijection. Okay. So in this way, you can find out whether the given function is bijection or not. So sometimes ask the questions like this. Find the given inverse function for the given function. You can find out the inverse function for the given function. That is, suppose here some function is like this, f of x equal to 4x plus 7. Here, now f of x equal to what? Y. Suppose here you can assume, okay, y equal to 4x plus 7. Now y minus 7 equal to 4x. Now the x equal to y minus 7 by 4. Y minus 7 by 4. So this is the inverse function, that is f of f inverse y equal to what? That is y minus 7 by 4. F of y equal to this is f of x equal to this one. Now f inverse y. So this is what the inverse function. F of x is the function and this is what the inverse function. So that within the terms x lo rayali ante how you can write this one? F of inverse, that is x minus 7 divided by 4. So this is what the inverse function. Then inverse function. Suppose like this, f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 4. Now you can write down 2x plus 1 by 4. Here 3, I am writing here 3. Now 3y equal to 2x plus 1. Now 3y minus 1 equal to 2x. X equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. Now F inverse y equal to 3y minus 1 by 2. What is the F inverse of x? That is 3x minus 1 by 2. So this is what the inverse function. That is f of x equal to 2x plus 1 by 3. F inverse equal to 3x minus 1 by 2. So this is what the inverse function. Okay. So these type of questions are asked in exams. Now we have discussed about some more MCQs. So I think yesterday we have discussed that is how to find the inverse function, and so if a equal to m, b equal to n, then number of possible relations. How many number of possible relations are there? So the number of possible relations and that is to the power of m into n. So these many number of possible relations are there. So yesterday we have discussed these up to here. Now here this is what the 68, that is to the power of mn. Okay, then a equal to this one. How many number of possible relations are how many number of possible relations are there? That is to the power of mn. Now assume here R and S are relations in set A. Which of the following relation is false? Here that is R inverse S is transitive. So this one is the false. Means here R and S are transitive, then R intersection S is transitive. If R and S are symmetric, R inverse S is symmetric. So if it is a reflexive, R inverse S is also reflexive. Then so this is what the reflexive. And again, so if R be a relation from this, so now you can check whether this is a composition or composition R inverse is what. So how you can find out the R inverse? So ఇక్కడ R inverse ఎలా find out చేస్తారు మీరు? That is here. Now R inverse is what? Okay. So for this R inverse, so first of all, you can find out this A cross B. Here A cross B is what? 1. So here A equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and B equal to 1, 3, 5. Okay, now 1 to 1 and 1 to 3, next 1 to 5. Next one more relation. How many number of Cartesian pairs are possible here? M into n. That means if it is m, cardinality of A equal to m, cardinality of B equal to n. That is how many pairs are there? That is m into n pairs. Here 1, 1, next 1, 3, 1, 5, next 2, 1, 2, 3, 2, 5. Next one more is 3, 1, next 3, 2, 3, 5. Next 4, 1, 4, 3, next 4, 5. So these are the pairs. Now here R equal to what? That is given, that is R is what? Here R is like this. A comma B belongs to R where A less than B. Now write down here 1, 1, 3, 1, 3, next 1, 5. Next write down here 2, 3, 2, 5. Next write down 3, 5. Next write down 4, 5. Then what is the R universe? Here R universe is what? R complement as a, so write down like this. R complement is what? And R complement ela cheptaru. So the place exists here but not here. Okay, minus చేస్తాం. That means mu minus R. Mu minus A cross B. Mu minus A cross B. So ఇప్పుడు ఇది R అవుతుంది. ఒకవేళ ఇది మీరు R అనుకుంటుంది. ఓకే, బట్ ఇక్కడ మనకు R యూనివర్స్ కాబట్టి x, y belongs to this and y, x belongs to here. 5, 1. Next 3, 2. Next 5, 2. Next 5, 3. Next 5, 4. Now write down R composition or inverse. That means 1, 3, 3, 1. So it is what? 1, 1. Now 3. That means 1, 3, 3, 2. So any one will start with 3? No. 1, 5. Now 1, 1. 1, 5, 5, 1. 1, 1 is already there. Now 5. That is 1, 5, 5, 2. That means 1, 2. 1, 2 is also there. 1, 5, 5, 3. 1, 3 is there. Next 1, 5, 5, 4. That is 1, 4 is there. Next coming to 2. 2, 3. That is 2, 2 is exist. Next only 2, 3. Next 2, 5. That is 2, 3 is already there. 2, 3. Next 2, 4. Next coming to here, what? 3, 5. So from this 3, 5, 3, 3 and 3, 4. Next 4, 5. That is 4, 2, 5, 5, 4. That is 4, 4 is. So this is what you can check here. Here you can check this is R complement to this. Here, now observe here. This is C. Why? Because here the 3, 3 wrong undamma. Idi 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 3, 1, 4 kuda untayi, 2, 2 kuda untayi. So here in this case 3, 3, 3, 4 and 5, 3. This is answer ivaledamma. This is the correct answer. This is only correct one. Okay, R to R complement. So inverse. So ఇక్కడ complement తీసుకొని చేసినట్టుంది answer. So this is not right. So this is only right answer. Okay, this is wrong. Next, coming to this next question, so like this, you can find out the inverse function. So inverse function find out చేసిన తర్వాత, that is here x square plus 1, then the value of f inverse 17 and f inverse minus 3 is what? So first you can find out the inverse function for this. After that you can substitute the 17 and minus 3. Then you can write the values. So for this 71, answer is D. So this is what D. So once you can check. So first, it is the inverse function for this. Here f of x equal to x square plus 1 and y equal to x square plus 1 and y equal to 1. But y minus 1 equal to x square, x is equal to plus or minus square root of y minus 1. Now here x equal to plus or minus. So first here what and f inverse of 17. So before that you can write here f inverse of y equal to what, and the inverse function is y minus 1. So f inverse x equal to, that is x minus 1. So now here f inverse of 17 equal to plus or minus. Now here 17 minus 1 plus or minus 16, that means plus or minus 4, plus 4 and minus 4. Okay, then next plus 4 and minus 4. So here also plus 4 minus 4 is there. Now you can find out minus 3 also. For minus 3, that is what? F inverse minus 3. Here for this minus 3, substitute here plus or minus minus 3 minus 1. Which is what? Plus or minus minus 4. Here we are not, this is. Because this is the R. Okay, if it is an integer we can. So but this is the given as an imaginary number. Here we are not writing anything. That means I. So that answer is what? D here. So this is the answer. Here the answer D. Okay, here the answer D. Next, like that, this is also. It means you can find out the function. So you know that very well this is. So this type of functions we go. This is what? 0, x and x. Okay. So first f of x equal to x square plus 2x minus 3. Now g of x equal to 3x minus 4. Now here substitute this one here. Okay, this f of x ni so ikkada substitute cheyandi. That means here x square plus 2x minus 3 minus 4. 3x square 6x 9 minus 4. 3x square plus 6x minus 13. So these type of questions. Now you can find out with respect to the relation x divides y, which of the following are totally ordered. Totally ordered means everyone is divides with the remaining element. Suppose here now the answer is 73, that is C. Here 1 and 3 only. So you can observe here 3 divides with 36 and this these are 3 divides with 9 and this 9, that means 3 3 is a 9 and here 9 for the 36 means transitivity is there. Okay, coming to this 1, so 7 11s are 77, but 11 is not divided with these two. So that this is not x divides by y relation. So now coming to here 3 2, 3 2s are 6 and 3 4s are 12. So every element, so that is divisible. Now this is also 1 is divisible with all elements, but this is infinite. So that we are not assuming this 4, but 1 and this one. But here you can observe 1 2 3 4 5, but 1 is only divides and remaining is not divides. So that this is also not there. And 1 and 3 only total ordered relation. That answer is here. Now the answer is here. This is C. C is the answer. Okay, like that. So check this is whether this is the reflexive property or symmetric property. Then next, this is also same question. This is the P into Q. Like that, these are the same repeated questions to 84. So then next we are discuss about some other questions. Based on the which of this, that means which of the following statement is true? Every equivalence relation is a partial order relation. That means every equal order is false. Every equivalence relation is a partial ordering relation. Partial ordering in the sense it satisfies the antisymmetric property. So equivalence lo emantam. So maniki reflexive property, antisymmetric property and transitive property. Then this is what partial order. This is what the partial order. So if it is the equivalence, that is a reflexive, symmetric and transitive, then it is the equivalence. So that every equivalence relation is not not a partial order. This is the false. And empty relation phi is the reflexive. Okay, empty relation phi is the reflexive, not. Okay, and properties of a relation being symmetric and being antisymmetric are negative of each other, not. So here the true statement, that means which of the following statement is true? Here the every equivalence relation and every equivalence relation is a partial order relation, and sometimes manki enti ante sometimes this is possible. నేను మీకు ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తాను. Suppose you can observe here this is అంటే this is phi is a reflexive, but ఇక్కడ మనకి phi is a reflexive అన్నారు. Okay, this is a false statement and this is also అంటే here B. Suppose you can observe this is 1 2 is 64. The number of relations from these two here 1 2 3 అంటే which is ఇక్కడ మనకి క్వశ్చన్ లో ఇలా ఇవ్వాలి. ఓకే, సో దిస్ ఈస్ ట్రూ స్టేట్మెంట్, దిస్ ఇస్ ఆల్సో ట్రూ, బట్ ఇక్కడ చూడండి a ఈక్వల్ టు x y b అండ్ b. సో ఇక్కడ ఎన్ని రిలేషన్స్ పాసిబుల్ అవుతాయి మనకి? సారీ, దీనికి ఎగ్జాంపుల్ ఇస్తానండి. ఎవ్రీ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ రిలేషన్ ఇస్ ఏ పార్షియల్ ఆర్డరింగ్ రిలేషన్. సో ఎలా చెప్తారంటే మనకి దిస్ ఈస్ x, y and y, z belongs to not belongs to R, then both of these two are same, x equal to y అంటారు. ఓకే, కొన్నిసార్లు మనకి ఏమవుతుందంటే x, y, y, z, y, x belongs to R. Now these two are different ఉంటాయి. సో కొన్నిసార్లు సేమ్ ఉంటాయి. సేమ్ ఉన్నప్పుడు యాంటీ సిమెట్రిక్ కిందకి వెళ్తుంది. అంటే ఎవ్రీ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ రిలేషన్ ఇస్ ఏ పార్షియల్ ఆర్డరింగ్ రిలేషన్. ఫాల్స్ కాదు, అదే చెప్తున్నాను మీకు ఇక్కడ. ఎవ్రీ ఈక్వివాలెన్స్ రిలేషన్ అనేది పార్షియల్ ఆర్డర్ రిలేషన్ కాదు. అండ్ ఎంటీ రిలేషన్ phi is reflexive. So this is a false statement. And properties of the relation being symmetric and being antisymmetric రెండు కావు. Symmetric and antisymmetric రెండు కావు. చెప్పాను x, y belongs to R, y, z not belongs to R, then both of these two are same. So if it is a symmetric x, y and y, z, y, x belongs to R, that means these three are the false. And now here suppose you can observe this one is, that means how many number of cardinality of A equal to what and 3, cardinality of B equal to what 2, 3 into 2 equal to what 6. So any relations form cheyochu to the power of m into n, that means here to the power of 6 means what only 64. So that this is what correct. And here, so which of the following statement is false? Here this is which statement is false? So this is true. R intersection R inverse equal to pi s. R intersection R inverse equal to pi, that is antisymmetric. So R and R inverse are equivalence relation. Then R intersection R inverse is also equivalence relation. So this is true and this is also true and this is also true. So this is not reflexive. That means R minus R complement is not reflexive. So only reflexive minus is reflexive card. Okay. Then so coming to this one, so this satisfies which? So here the negation x, here it defines x negation, that means here the relation tilde symbol ఇచ్చారు. tilde symbol meaning ఏంటంటే x divides by. సో ఇంతకు ముందే మీకు చెప్పాను టోటల్ ఆర్డర్లో చెప్తున్నప్పుడు. సో ఇక్కడ డివైడ్ చేసినప్పుడు 1, 2, 3 all prime numbers, that means 1 is divided with all numbers, but 2, 5 is there, that is not divisible. And alage 2 is, for example 9 is there, that is not divisible. That means there is no total order. So that's why this is not, this is a partial ordering relation. Here this is equal to 1, 2, 3, then the relation 1, 1 and 2, 2. So here this is 107. Here both symmetric and antisymmetric. Sometimes this is possible. Okay, like that you can check whether this is what antisymmetric or transfer reflexive, like that. So here R composition R equal to R square is what? Okay, so this is one problem. Now here A cross A on A is an what? This is which type of relation? This is of equivalence relation. So in this case, we satisfy the reflexive property, symmetric property, and transitive property. Now, so these type of questions you can try. So in the round just now, I will try cheyandi. Then Hasse diagrams are drawn for partial order sets. That means set is a, that means Hasse diagram is a diagrammatic representation for set. Now, this is which of the following lattices are Boolean? In this case, which of the lattices are Boolean? So this is bounded. అంటే మనకి కంపల్సరీ లోవర్ అండ్ అప్పర్ ఎగ్జిస్ట్ అవుతుంది చూడండి. సో దెన్ దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ బూలియన్ అవుతుంది. సో నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్, హియర్ లోవర్, హియర్ అప్పర్, హియర్ లోవర్, హియర్ అప్పర్, హియర్ లోవర్ అండ్ హియర్ అప్పర్. దిస్ ఇస్ వాట్ నన్ ఆఫ్ దిస్. సో ఇలా ఉంటే మనకి బూలియన్ lattices of Boolean lattice. Okay, which of the following is not a lattice? So ఇందులో lattice కంది ఏంటి? Here the lattice is not here. This is the lattice and this is also lattice and this is also lattice and this is also, every two face has upper bound as well as lower bound, and this is also lattice. Right, because here this is not a lattice. So ikkada idi anni kuda lattice andi. And here D13. So relation on this number. Now the lower bounds. So దీనికి lower bounds find out చేయాలి. So lower bounds ఎలా find out చేస్తారు? So now see here for this first draw the set 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 15, 30. Suppose first draw the poset. 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 1. 1, 2, no, 3, no, 4, this 4 is divides with the 2, no, 5, this is 5, 6, 6 divides with the 3 as well as 2. Now 10, so 10 divides with the 2 and 5. Now 15, this 15 is divides with the 15 is divides with 5 as well as 3. Now 30. So this 30 is divides with 30 is divides with 3, 30 is divides with 6, 10, 15. Okay. So now upper bound. So for finding the upper bound for this 10 and 15, means for 10, 15. So we can observe here the 10 and 15 lower bounds. So here lower bounds. For this 10 and 15, lower bounds are, you can observe here for this 10 and 15 both are divided with this 5 and but not 10 is not divided with 3 but only 15 is divided, so that we are not taking as a lower bound of these two. So commonly divide child, so that's why only 5. The next this 5 is divided with 1, so that 195. These are the lower bounds. Next complement of each element. So దీనికి కాంప్లిమెంట్ ఏంటి? సపోజ్ ఇక్కడ here d6 1 2 3 4 5 6. So here 1, this 1 is divides with 2 and 3, then next to 5. So here it is 4, so it is 6, like this. Okay. So complement of each element. Complement of each element. Here, see, 1 complement is 6. Now 6 complement is 1 and 3 complement is 2, 2 complement is 3. This is what the complement. Now maximal and minimal elements. So for this diagram you can find out the maximal and minimal elements. So maximal elements, 3, 5 are the maximal elements and minimal element is 1, 6. So that C is the answer. Now greatest and least elements. So here there is no greatest and there is no least because 4 and 5 are the maximal and 1 and 2 are the minimal. So greatest and least are the unique values. So there is no unique maximum. So that no greatest none, least none. See answer. Now, so different partial order sets may be represented by the same Hasse diagram if they are isomorphic. That means isomorphic means ఏంటి అంటే means opposite diagrams, రెండు opposite diagrams కనుక opposite diagram 1 and opposite diagrams 2 లో vertices సేమ్ ఉండాలి అంటే these all are సేమ్ ఉండాలి and edges సేమ్ ఉంటాయి and then which is called as isomorphic. Then here this one. So here some this is the set ordered weights are, that means number of ordered weights. And by using this Hasse diagram, so now the ordered weights ఏంటి చెప్పండి. That means here this ordered weights self groups are there. That means 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Then next 1 3 and next 1 4 is there. Okay. Next 3 4 is there. 1 3 1 4. Okay. 1 3 1 4. Next 3 4. After that 2 3 3 4 and 2 4. So that's why answer is what? For this 1 1 2 2 3 3 4 4. Next 1 3 1 4 is there. Next 2 3. Next 2 4 is there. After that 3 4. So that is the answer. Now do you know that what is the diagram for this? So you know that. దీనికి diagram ఎలా చెప్తారు? That is, see, here Hasse diagram means self loops are there. One, so diagonal all ones. Now 1 2 2. That's why this 1 3 and 1 4 1 5. 1 2 1 4 1 3 1 5. So the next 2 2 4. So that's why this is next 3 2 5. So that's why this one 3 2 5. Okay. So this is what the Hasse. For this Hasse diagram, this is the matrix. This is the matrix. Okay. Every finite subset of lattice has finite subset of lattice has both either sum of LUBs or GLBs. So the finite subset which contains LUBs as well as GLBs. So this is what about MCQs regarding set theory. So today evening అవి చదవండి మీకు ఆల్రెడీ నోట్స్ ఇచ్చాను అండ్ క్వశ్చన్ MCQs కూడా ఎక్స్ప్లెయిన్ చేశాను